Welcome to Regal Princess. This week we are going to be going to Turks and Caicos and the Dominican Republic. As you can see, this time they have some better stuff. They have a track. Last month we were on Grand Princess and did the Hawaiian trip. It was a little bit older ship. It did lack some of the amenities and some of the fun. It also had an older clientele, so let's see if the older clientele is more a princess thing or if it's a difference between a Caribbean cruise and a Hawaiian cruise. We got kind of the bare minimum, got an interior room. We didn't get the drink package or anything like that. This time we splurged a little bit. We got the drink package. Add the basket. We also ended up getting a balcony estate room this time. So we'll see the difference between leveling up a little bit and kind of going the cheap route on the cruise packages. Stay tuned to see the difference. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave us some comments, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm not one to like vocals and like opera type stuff, but the show Bravo that we just went to was excellent. And what was really funny is at the end, I'm like, I have heard this song before. Where the hell have I heard this, being that it's opera? And Jamie's like, Step Brothers. And it's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
It's a fucking Catalina wine mixer.
Which is hilarious. So anyways, that's the last song, and then at the very end, the cruise director comes out, and what are we on, day 2? So day 2, we haven't even met the cruise director yet, which is kind of strange, but he comes out for the show, and he sounds like the guy from Saskatchewan, from Grown Ups.
Hey, what's up, ladies? Oh, you're from around these parts, eh? Yeah, I'm from Saskatchewan.
It's like super high-pitched Canadian.
Short guy.
Yeah, and then he started making fun of some Canadians in the audience. So, anyways, this is just a great show, an awesome experience.
I agree. And dinner was great.
Dinner was great. It's our second day on the cruise ship. Our first port. Today we were at Amber Cove. It is a port that we've been to multiple times, so we just kind of got off the ship, walked around the area. Then got back on because we had the drink package included, so we just hung out by the pool here. However, if you do get off the ship, there is a swimming pool kind of to the right that is really nice. Play music, bar, everything, swim up bar. So I would highly recommend that.
There's cabanas too you can rent.
Yep, they do have cabanas like right on the water that you can rent out. I honestly don't know how much they are, but the snorkeling and stuff, especially in that area, the water is pretty brown. So I don't know how well snorkeling is on this island here, but the things that are really fun are the zip line, and then I believe they also have like natural water slides kind of in the mainland that you can go to. So that would be some good excursions to do if you want to go out and do that. We've done them zip lining in the past, which was a lot of fun. Tonight they did have a comedy magician act. So it was Brent and Sarah. They're actually full of energy and lively, and they made it really funny, made it entertaining for the audience.
Interactive.
Yeah, interacted, pulled some of the audience on the stage. So it was really good. I highly recommend going to that show. The drink package is nice. We don't typically drink.
No, but I get coffee and teas. So, and water. So I get water bottles with it. I get coffees and I get tea. So it's been nice for me. Today I don't think I drank. Oh, I had one cocktail today, but mostly it's just been teas.
I think the best part is you just don't even have to worry about it. Like before when we've cruised without it, you have to like,
Budget?
I don't know. I get like, not even budget. It's like I almost get kind of stressed when I'm spending extra money. Where this, you don't even have to worry about it. If you want something, you just get it and it's already paid for. Alright guys, one of the cool features about the Princess Cruises and what they're doing now is you can order everything from apps. You can even order out on your TV in the staterooms. So,
Oh, I can get a coconut mojito.
you want that?
Yeah.
Add the basket. I think I might just get a classic mojito. Add the basket. And then some food. Ooh, actually this blue Hawaiian looks good too. Got the drink package, right? Let's just throw that on there. Add the basket.
Let's try the banana one. Dirty banana.
There's the pros of the drink packages, guys. You go on your TV, you can just say screw it, get all of them because they look delicious on here, right? Now, let's get some food. These were really good. Honestly, I'm feeling 2 of those. Some cookies?
Yeah.
Order now. So we just got our order and it is 11:26, so about 30-ish minutes or so to get it, which isn't bad. It's about the same as it would be in a restaurant, but being able to order straight from your room and have it delivered with whatever you want is awesome.
I only got 1 cookie.
Grand Turk tomorrow, we'll see how that goes. Today we were at the port of Grand Turk. This was our 3rd time here. So this time we went down and we walked the beach a little bit and then came back on the ship because we also have the drink package. So we just hung out on the ship by the pool, got some sun, read a little bit. If you don't have the drink package, there's Margaritaville right off the pier. They have a swim up bar, music, excellent place to hang out. There's also beach chairs right on the beach right there. There's an excellent beach right off the ship.
Well, and a beach bar.
Yeah, and a beach bar. That's also, if you're gonna do like a catamaran or whale watching, that's probably where you're gonna get picked up. Though whale watching seemed really popular. We haven't done that, but the first time we were here, we did do a catamaran snorkel, and that drove us out to a little island where we also got to swim with a whole bunch of stingrays out there, which I would highly recommend. That was a lot of fun. The last time we were here, we rented a golf cart, and you're able to drive around the whole island in a golf cart. It's actually a fairly small island. And depending on the time of year, there are flamingos here. So I believe they're usually here in the summer, and then the whale watching would be like the winter. And along with driving around, you get to sightsee, and then we just kind of like bar hopped on the way back because along the coast there's a lot of bars. So that's something I would highly recommend. Would be renting a golf cart to check out the island too. See ya tomorrow or maybe the next day. It is the last night of our cruise. It's always kind of a sad day. You almost don't want to go to bed because you don't want to have to get off tomorrow. The balcony suite I would highly recommend. We stayed out there some of the time, but I like it honestly just for the sunlight, and then you have an awesome view. So for the price, I think it's worth it. You do get a little bit more space too, so that's really nice. As for the age group for Princess this time, there was definitely a lot of younger people on here, but it is more spring break too.
There was a lot of mid-30s, 40s. It was a fun crowd. You know, the bars were full, the clubs were full, not just with, you know, the younger crowd. It was a mix, and it was a lot of fun.
We did go to Alfredo's Pizza. That was actually recommended, I think, last time, and I don't think we even went there. Their pizza is honestly like
really good.
Yeah, it tastes like homemade almost, like brick
it's
oven.
Really good.
The only thing that I would suggest to improve off of this cruise would be the comedy.
Okay, I'm waiting for the punchline. There's no punchline. It's not a joke.
It's always everybody's favorite, so it's always packed.
We weren't able to see it because it was too busy and we just didn't want to stand.
Thanks for watching our video. Hopefully it helped you out with the cruise. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Leave us any comments or questions, and we'll see you next time.
Next cruise is next month.